Hello and welcome to Mann's Model Moments. So just a bit of an update. Here you can see the shop. Here we got on the left hand side 1/72nd scale aircraft. Then you move into 1/72nd scale armour, vehicles. There's cars. Then you have a little step up, so it's different from last time where that big counter existed. So you have a little step up, which you still need to sort out. The counter still needs painting properly, so there's plenty of work still to do. But then we come round this corner, so here you have the car section, and then we have large scale armour. So we've got a 16th scale Gun 3, 1/35th scale. Then we have second-hand models, got a little second-hand section, and then also collector models. Obviously that stand won't be there. That stand is going to be on this wall along with that one. See, that's not in the proper place at the moment. And they're going to have guide sheets. And then you have 1/48 scale aircraft all across this wall here. And then I'll also have some of these lower sections of stands in the middle here. But we've also got the screen at the back there. That's going to be obviously illuminated, playing videos when the shop is actually open. The counter. So obviously still a lot of clearing and sorting needs to be doing. The counter needs to be painted. Got all our tamiya paint there. So I've got plenty of room. Thinking when the outlaw paint comes, I'll probably have that here. I've got the big cabinet is moved over to there. That's where I'm going to have all of the solvents and stuff. Jars, that's where I'm going to be making my glues and sprue goo. And things like the window stickers. So up in the door there you can see, and on that side window, all painted white. So Lucas, my decorator, has done a fantastic job painting all of this. You can see the colour it used to be. So I hadn't done the office area because that's where all of the junk basically is. Obviously got all my lighting working now, which is great. So it's a really nice bright open space. This door has taken 5 coats of paint and it still isn't properly orange yet. So I've got a few more coats to put on that. But overall, I'm quite pleased. The one thing that I am not happy with, and I'm going to ask your help with, is of course the flooring here. So this floor was always going to be a separate colour from this one to kind of distinguish it. This is not meant to be, and as you can see, it's not actually joined properly. It's kind of just there temporarily because the company that supplied this flooring, UK Flooring Direct, I ordered all of this flooring. They realised I didn't have quite enough. I needed 2 more packs. So I ordered 2 more packs from the same website, the same page, same description, everything. And what they sent me was this. Now, just to give you an idea. So that is the flooring. You think, okay, that's not too bad. And there's a slight colour difference. Slight colour difference I could live with. However, here's the issue. So they're a different length. And not only that, because I can put it with a different length, that really doesn't make any difference to me. But if you can see here, so I have both of these, the thin edge forward, apart from the fact that 2 of the boards were like this, so that they were not actually usable. But the thin edge here, this is left-handed, as you can see this, is right-handed. So they are completely incompatible. 8mm boards, same description, ordered from the same website, from the same company. They took 3 weeks to arrive, so I didn't find out until 3 weeks later. And then when I actually questioned them, it took a few emails backwards and forwards when they actually basically got me to send a load of photos, sent a photo of the barcode, and then eventually they said, we can confirm you've received the correct product. Now, of course, that is not the correct product. Now, looking at it, the orders do have 2 different codes on them. Same description, but a different code. So they've changed the product in the background. Nothing to inform the customer. And I pointed this out to them. I've asked multiple times for them to fix it. I just want 2 packs of flooring which is compatible with this one. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. I'm prepared to take a slight colour difference, or whatever. It just needs to be compatible so I can put all this together. And they have singularly failed to do anything. In fact, they only contacted me when I put a 1-star review on Trustpilot. So, and they said they would escalate it to management. They haven't. I've had nothing. So what I'd really like is for all of you to email them and quote my case number and ask them to get it sorted. Because I think it's disgusting that a company can do that and just have no customer service, basically tell the customer that they're wrong, give them no solution, and not even accept these 2 packs back. So that's kind of where I need your help. But as far as the shop goes, that has been the big thing that has been holding me back. Up until today, I wasn't able to put any of these shelves up. Obviously, I've got more shelves to put up here, to put all of these on. But the flooring has really hampered what I've been doing. So it's delayed everything. Which is unfortunate, but it's one of those things. So I need to paint all of that, obviously. Next week I have a big Mann's Model Moments sign coming for here, a circular one to go in the middle of there. I've got the sign frontage, and also where this wet paint is. This is the old betting shop sign, which actually goes, if you can see, just outside there, actually goes in that little bit hanging down there. So I have new graphics coming for that, and then that will go up. So I don't think you'll be able to miss the shop, the bright orange door and all of the Mann's Model Moments signs everywhere. But that is where I'm at. So quite a difference, I think, I hope you'll agree, from last time. Again, the flooring is annoying more than anything. And the customer service is just appalling. It's not the way I'm going to run the shop. You need to keep customers on your side. You need to be reasonable. And they really haven't been. So, that's all for me. Hopefully, I'll put all the details for emailing the company down in the video description. And hopefully you guys can help me out and get some sort of resolution.
That's all for this instalment of Mann's Model Moments. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more like it, and share this video with others you think would also enjoy it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and if you're feeling generous, then I also have a Patreon, which is absolutely the best way of helping me to grow the channel and produce more content like this. With that, I hope you have plenty of modelling moments of your own, and I look forward to welcoming you on the next video.